How to draw 4, 5, 6, and 7-dimensional objects. One point has 0 dimensions. Double the points, and you have 1 dimension. Double the points again, and you have 2 dimensions. Double the points again, and you have 3 dimensions. Double the points yet again, and you have 4 dimensions. Skeptical? You're watching this on a flat 2-dimensional computer monitor. In 2 dimensions, it's not possible to have 3 axes, each of which is 90 degrees to the other 2. Yet we accept this picture as a representation of 3 dimensions displayed on a 2-dimensional monitor. In 3 dimensions, it is not possible to have 4 axes, each of which is 90 degrees to the other 3. Yet as with 3 dimensions on a 2-dimensional monitor, we can accept that this is a representation of 4 dimensions. If you remove any one of the 4 axes, you will go back to 3 axes, each of which is 90 degrees to the other 2. Therefore, each of the 4 axes is 90 degrees to each of the other 3. In the same way, we can add a 5th, 6th, or 7th axis, each of which is 90 degrees to all the axes that came before it. Double the points again. And you have 5 dimensions. By continuing to double the points, you can add as many dimensions as you want. 6 dimensions. 7 dimensions. Therefore, we can draw as many dimensions as we want.